Awesome gift idea. Dragon egg bath bombs with toy dragons inside. Now this is from a brand called Mineral Me. They're out of California. They sent this to me for review. Let me show you how fun these are. Look at that box, it's beautiful. I'm a sucker for a pretty box, what can I say? All right, check it out. They are each individually wrapped and has its own little compartment, like a little dino egg carton. Lots of fun colors. Some of the ingredients here. We've got sodium bicarbonate, which is the fizzy part, citric acid, Epsom salt, shea butter, coconut oil, essential oils. It smells really good. Of course, the true test of any bath bomb is how well does it fizz? Let's do it. Oh, look at that. Ooh, very foamy. I like that this is a slow and steady fizz. I mean, you're getting a lot right off the bat, but this isn't going to dissolve right away, which is great because my kids love to play with these. And also, it'll keep them in the bath a little bit longer while they wait for their toy to emerge. I see no signs of toy yet. This did reveal itself. Actually, I didn't expect it to be in a little container like this. This is nice. Oh, and it's like a squishy toy. Ah, this is fun. Okay, my kids are gonna love this. It's stretchy. I'm having too much fun. Obviously, this has my stamp of approval. These are the Dragon's World bath bomb set from Mineral Me, California. I hope this was helpful.